So, Sainath,
Yes, sir.
did you attend any a few sessions regarding our Tableau? I think one or two sessions already done in our previous a couple of weeks back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go for open our Tableau. So, did you install the Tableau in your local computers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, I just opened my Tableau desktop in my local machine, and I have a data sets as well as I have a content over here. Okay. Let me go for remove this everything, this workbooks, and see. So this text, I mean this thing for this particular session will talk about how we can join the two different sheets or two different data sets. Okay, so let me have understanding the table joining. Nothing but when you're working with the tab SQL or some other time. So we do understood like inner join and outer join, left outer join. These things we already done it, right? Okay. In the same way, in a Tableau also, when we have a two tables, we can join it. Okay. Here also we have the inner join concepts and full outer join as well as left outer join. Okay, and right outer join. So these are the four type of joining concepts we have it. So that we would like to discuss in this particular session. Clear? Clear or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I have a two tables. One is the customer tables, and second one is the supplier table. Okay. So I just wanna do that inner join and outer join and left outer join and every all joins we can understood with the help of this particular two tables. Okay. Clear? Yes, fine. Now I just want to show you that the data set. This is my customer table, okay, and this is my supplier table. Where it is located? Material. This is customer. And okay, let me open it. This is organization. Customers. Okay. Any two tables we can consider it over here, and we'll work on it. Okay. And this is sales organization and language and organization description. This is the one table. Okay, the table is sales organization. Okay, and have the product category or else materials. Okay, product category and language and this is product category, and here we have a materials. Okay, and materials, these are the different data sets I have it, and material and product category and sales price ID, division, product description. Like here we have the material, right? This is material, and this is product category, and this is sales product category and components division and division description. Okay, let me open it. This is sales price. This is sales organization. This sales organization. This is GST and product category material. Okay. This is product category, right? Yes, product category. Okay. Okay. Yes, you can see here we have the product category, right? here also we have the product category, right? Based on this two common names or else common data, we can combine or we can join together. Okay, so I would like to go for using the this two data sets only. Okay, one is the material and second one is product category. I want to be join these two together. So I already opened my um, Tableau desktop, and here Microsoft Excel. Just click on that Microsoft Excel and go to your specific location and to your data sets. And so this is my material, and you just double click on it, and which is adding over here, right? This is material, and now we would like to go for add one more file or one more table or one more data set, which is the product category. So I can just combine over here. Okay, and I have the two two tables. One is the material data set and second one is the product data set, right? So for example, just click on it. So when you double click on this particular no so, so first what we can do, simply we can remove it. First we can remove it. So I just added the material data set over here and the product category data set over here. Okay, and within this one just double click on it. Okay, this is my material. Okay, and just click on it. After that one, okay, so if you click on this one, we are getting the category, right? So you just drag and drop over here. When you drag and drop over here, so here it was connected together, right? How it was connected? It was connected with inner join. But when you click on this particular join option, here we have the inner join and left outer join and right outer join and full outer join, but which are joined based on the language a key, but I want to join these two things on based on the product category. Okay, just click on the product category from the data source, and from here also we can able to go for select the this things based on these two ways we can join. Okay, this is the inner join, and if you click on the left outer join, so and which is join the all the records from the left table and matched records from the right table. Okay, and when you click on the right outer join, all the records from the right table and only matched records from the left table can be connected over here. Okay, just 1 second. Fine. Okay, so we joined, right? So left join and right join and full outer join. So this is the full outer join. Full outer join in the sense all the records from the left and right. Okay, if nothing is matched, then it automatically mention it like none. So this is the way you can able to join the tables over here. Okay. Okay. Clear? Any question? Any question? Any question, guys?
Clear, sir.
This is answer. No. This one also should be go for remove. Okay. Something is happening. Okay. So that's for concepts of the joining concepts. Is there any question regarding about joining concepts? So when we have a tables, we can join together, okay, with inner join, outer join, left outer join, and full outer join. And you already know about concept of the union also, right? Okay. So we combine the two tables. We combine the two tables with help of the union concepts as well. Okay. So with union also have the option over the tab view. So can you please take it any two data sets from the internet and join together, or else create the two tables with your own. One is the customer table, one is the supplier table. Okay. And I would like to go for create the, so meanwhile you can also do it, guys. Create your own Excel, create your own Excel, and the file name is, and this is the sheet name is, for example, my sheet name is supplier customers. Okay. So customers, this is my sheet name, the sheet name which is having the customer ID, and so STOMER customer ID, and second one is the name of the customer, name of the customer. Okay, the customer ID is 101 and 102 and 103 and 104. Okay, this is my customer IDs, and the name of the customer is, it's a Red and Fox and Cowboy and Forge. So this is my customer names. I would like to save this particular file with a different location. Okay, I would like to go for create the new folder, and this is my lab. Okay, so within this one I would like to save this particular file is the customer Excel file. Okay, so I just saved this particular file, and I would like to go for create the new Excel file, and within that one also I would like to go for create the new um, file is, it's my supplier file, right? So that I would like to give the name of the sheet is, it's a supplier sheet. And for understanding purpose, I'm taking the dummy data sets. Okay, how that left outer join and full outer join is working, and all joins how it is working, I'm just explaining over here. Okay, so next one is supplier ID and name of the supplier. Okay, for example, supplier ID is 101, it's a 102, it's a 103, and this is 104. Make sure that this is the supplier ID is different and customer ID is different, but some situation the customer may be a supplier. Okay, So here Fords and Texasan and Jaguars, okay, and folks. So just save this particular file as supplier. Okay, yes. Now what I can do, I would like to be combine or I would like to join. Okay, and first thing is that go to our Microsoft Excel and go to your specific dataset location. In the lab one, I have the supplier and open it. And then after you would like to go for add the one more file, and the name of the file is it's a supplier. Okay, so this is my supplier. So this is the way you can able to go for add the two customers. Sorry, two tables. One is the supplier table and the second one is the customer table. Okay, see here we have an options like union or intersections, right? Unions or intersections. Okay, okay, just click on this one, drag and drop over here. Remove. Joining is not getting. Okay, so we'll working with joins, right? Okay, so click on this supplier, and before that one just click on the customer table. Okay, if you click on the customer table you will be getting this kind of option. Now here field name, supplier id, supplier name. Okay, so here the customer. Now what I can do, I can drag and drop over here, so automatically joins will happen. Okay, so when you do the joins, these two tables are joined with supplier id and name and customer id and name, right? Okay, so here instead of taking two names, maybe you can take it only single name as well. Okay, so just simply you can able to remove it or hide it. So here we have an hide option, we can hide it. Okay, this is the way you can inner join. We can do the inner join. For example, I just go back. If you go back and click on the customer, or else I just remove this one. Okay, so now we can connect it with joins, right? So for example, if it is a left join, so left join in the sense all the tables from the supplier or all the records from the suppliers. See 101 Forge, Texausen and Pockets and Jarkos, right? There is a four guys we have it from the supplier. This all records we are considering. Okay, but what are the records we matched at right side? Those records we are accessing. Rest of the things are it automatically null. Clear? That is exactly the left join. And coming to the right join, all the records from the right table and only matched records from the left table can be created a new records. Clear? Any question? Any question regarding about left join and right join? And now let's talk about the full outer join. When coming to the full outer join, all the records from the left table and all the records from the right table can be joined. That's the reason. So when you're joining, when you're considering the right table, then left records are the null. Okay, when you're joining with right table, okay, and when we have a right table records, and if it is not matched at left table, okay, then which automatically filling the null. What are the records are matched? Those records, it doesn't have the null option. Clear? Clear or not? Any
Clear,
question?
sir.
Any questions are
Clear, sir.
regarding about inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join? The same concept will be applicable in SQL also. In SQL also, inner join, left join, right join, full outer join could be a same thing. Okay. Okay. So that's a one concept, joining concepts. Next one is we can connecting the tables either live or extract. So what is the difference between the live and extract, guys? Live means, okay, you can combining the, or we can connect the data sources with the live mode. Live mode in the sense, if anything is happening in the original data set, automatically your visualization also can be affected. That exactly the live. Okay. And coming to the extract, and coming to the extract means after you connecting your original data set to your data, I mean your tableau, okay, so that means your original data set, it can be copying as a file in your local machine. Okay, and whenever you want to be update, I mean if you are updating your original data set, it affect, if it won't affect it for your your visualization, your report. In case of live, if anything, if any changes will happen in real time, automatically the visualization also can be affected. Okay. But in case of extract, if anything will be changes in real time data, it won't affect it in your visualization or in your report. Clear? So Tableau, you can connect it in two connections. You can connect the data sources in two connections. One is live mode and second one is extract mode. Live mode means in case of real time data will affected, automatically the visualization also can be affected because of it's connected with real data. That's we're calling it say live. When coming to the extract, so which is connected with a file, but the file which is the replica of the your original data source. Okay, if any changes will happen in original data source, and your visualization cannot be affected because of you are connecting the duplicate file of the original data set. Okay, and if you want to be update the, or if you want to update the your visualization, simply you have to, okay, refresh your extract file. Clear? Clear or not? These are the interview questions, guys. Live and extract, and inner join, left join, right outer join. Okay. For example, in your this these are the columns you are connected, right? For example, I would like to go for the um I would like to go for no. Okay, so I would like to hide the any one of the column. For example, I would like to go for hide the one specific column. Simply here we have a right click, any option. If you want to be remove or hide this only column, then click on the right click on this one, and we'll get some kind of options: rename, copy values, hide, and create collected field, and create group, and create bins, and describe. Okay, so if you click on the describe, so which is giving the role is the continuous measurements, and data type is database column, and remote, this is the supplier and the supplier id, and there could be 8 bytes signed integer, and default aggregation is sum, and the status is valid, the domain of this kind of thing we will be getting when you do the some kind of description. Okay, and if when you right click on this one, if you want to hide this particular column, then just simply hide it. Okay, This is the way you can do it. If you want to undo, then just it will be come back again. Okay, for example, I would like to go for creating the new field. I would like to go for new column field. So here we have a create calculated field. When you click on the create calculated field, you can give the new column name. For example, um, yes, CID, okay, and dot, and what we are doing actually, we are connecting, or I want to do that sum of the, okay. Mhm. Your CID. You're just creating. This is the actually this is the logic. You have to create the logic over here. But I'm not explaining about any kind of logics. But I want to creating the new column. And here, if you create the logic, based on this logic can be executed, and the result will be getting. Okay. See here we have a CID or not. But this is the CID which is same as the supplier ID. Okay. And that's what, this is the way you can able to go for creating the new calculated field, or else and you can hide it. And if you want to delete this particular thing, you have option is delete, you can delete it. So this is the way you can just play some things on your tableau in a basic level. Okay, clear? Yeah, guys, so what we can do, go to your Tableau desktop and create two files and play with the joins and hide and create it column. Click on create your own calculated field and try to understand the live and extract. This is the thing I explained for today. But tomorrow we'll talk about some more information and we'll go to the sheet and we'll create some kind of visualizations. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.
Hello.